the new control center. So I have it because while there is a good amount of new stuff here, I don't know if I like all of the new changes, but let me know what you think. So caps, but okay, so on that first page, if you hit the plus button in the corner, it shows a grid, and then you can play with the size and placement of anything that has a tab in that bottom corner. So they all kind of have these predefined sizes that they morph between, so you can mess around here with, you know, basically designing your perfect layout for your controls screen. You can add new controls, and there's a whole massive list of them to search through here, and surface things that you do often. And right now, these are basically all Apple. The intensity part definitely works. The beam width, I don't know if I'm as convinced on that one, but I guess it's still really cool UI. Oh, also, there's a new button up here to turn off your phone, kind of like Android added a while ago in the settings. But also, you can now finally change the controls on your lock screen now. From the default, which has been the flashlight and the camera for forever, you can hold down, customize, lock screen, and get in there and go to town. Again, I hope there's third-party ones that end up here, but there's already a ton of options. I'm excited to set mine to my to-do list.